Alright, yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create an YouTube intro for absolutely free. So what you want to do is go to Google, and you'll want to just search up Panzoid, click the first link and it'll send you to this page. What you want to do is, if you see the creations tab, sorry about that. If you see the creations tab, scroll down and there's lots of different intros. Press more creations. You've got like lots and lots. You can choose whichever one you want for your, like, you can get ones specifically for your channel, ones that suit your channel, and any intro here. I might just use this one maybe. So click on it and it'll send you this page. Click the little eye icon and it'll send you to like this. It might look black, it might look different, but just click the eye to make it go red. Then this is what this intro will look like.
Rider, bus you need it, I'll bleed it. Kicking off a parking bitch, I'm feeling like a demon, bitch. I came.
So that is it. Yeah, so if you've had a look at your intro and you like it, then what you need to do is go to the little cube icon here. It's going to say text. You need to click on it and change the name to your name. So mine is obviously Val. So click that, and then if you look at your intro again.
Rider, bus you need it, I'll bleed it. Kicking off a parking bitch, I'm feeling like a demon, bitch. I came.
So yeah, I have got custom text, but I am actually not a fan of this intro. I have used it before and it wasn't the best, so I'm going to use a different one rather than the Tokyo Drift. So this one will look like this. So I actually do pretty like that one. I have also used this one before, but just not on this channel. So like I said, go to the cube icon, press on the name thing, and change it to your YouTube name or whatever name you'd like. And do it for all the text ones. Don't just do it for the ones you see. There might be some down here, there might be some up here, but just do it for all of them. And then, as I said, if you rewind it, it'll change again like this. And I do actually really like this intro because the intro music they made, I actually do really like this music. It's not on here right now, but yeah, after you've customized it, you can change like the font, the height, the thickness. You can change anything, to be honest. But once you've finished everything, come down to this little download icon, click on it. It'll say mode and format. First of all, for mode, you can either choose the fastest render, balance, good quality, or extreme quality, but it says it'll take a slow download. So I'm just going to use balance for now because it takes about a minute or two to download. Always keep this as MKV or WebM, depends what PC you have. I use the top one and just press start video render, and I will be back when it's done. Alright, I am back. The download has finally finished. It took about 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe, but once you get to this page, you want to click download your video. It'll send you to like this page, and then it'll come down with a download it here like it did. You can click on it to make sure it's okay. I did it in the balanced render mode thing, so this is what it looks like. I'll just open it with photos. Here we go. Alright, so that is what it looks like. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure you smash the like button and also hit subscribe, just to support me. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for watching. See you later.